Social media of people getting rid of eye bags in just minutes. Today we're talking about Plexaderm and how it works in just minutes to reduce some of the key signs of aging. Lifestyle expert Scott DeFalco is here to share the secrets of this amazing new technology and change the way that you see yourself in the mirror. Good to see you again.
Nick, thanks for having me, man. Well, the secret is out because Plexaderm has taken social media and the country by storm. I've been promoting fashion and beauty products for over 5 years now. I've never seen anything like it, and I brought a video of my good buddy Richie.
There's nothing like seeing what's happening in real time, right?
Yes, and you can see, I call him Richie Bags, Nick.
Well,
Richie Bags.
Or unbags now, I hope.
Yes, hopefully by the end, yes. And you can see why. He's got some issues going on under those eyes, and what he's doing right now is rubbing a small amount of Plexaderm under his right eye, and what you witness in real time over the next few minutes is going to shock you because the appearance of it is going to completely go away.
Because that's quite a bit that he's got going on right there.
Does.
Were you a little worried? Were you guys kind of like, oh, geez, let me see?
You know, it's a funny story.
It for a while,
well,
so
because I was actually in the room when we shot this video, and all the executives were there, and we kind of pulled Richie from the accounting office, said, hey, you want to be in our new spot? He's like, sure, what do you want me to do? And
you've been eyeballing him for a while, right? You're like, okay, he's definitely going to be a candidate.
Well, you can see the look on his face. He wasn't too happy when we brought him in, but by the end he was happy. But we're all in there nervous watching it, and by the end the room just exploded because it was incredible.
Wow, that is so cool. So how exactly does it work? I know you've got a stone here that you got to take with you through the airport.
I carry this piece of shell rock with me, Nick, all over the country, and believe it or not, the magic behind Plexaderm comes from this. There are silicates in this shell rack that are in the formula, and what happens is, you know, it's funny because people normally just want to know, does it work? But because it's so incredible, I get asked all the time, how does it work? What's the science behind it? Well, when you rub it into your eye, like you saw Richie do, what's happening is the silicates in the formula, there are molecules in it that weave together, and as it dries into your skin, it tightens that problem area to reduce the appearance of it, and it also works on your forehead wrinkles and your crow's feet, so it's not just a one-trick pony.
Well, and I need the forehead stuff.
I
do this all the time.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? It's like, what is going on? I'm not going to do the Botox, and that's a cool thing too. Is you don't have to do surgery, you don't have to go get the shots and all that other stuff. Is it something that lasts?
That's huge, and that's two great questions. Let me get to your first one about, we were talking about Botox. I'm going to bring up a term people are familiar with, collagen. Because what happens, and the reason why you get the sagginess and the droopiness is, well, gravity sucks, Nick. We know that, because over time it affects us all. And people go to the doctor specifically for this reason, get collagen injections to cure these problems, the forehead wrinkles.
And as you get older, we lose collagen.
Right, it degrades, and that's why you have these problems. So that's why people go and get the collagen injections, but they're painful and they can be expensive. This is completely topical, and the great thing about it is it's going to work within 10 minutes. Some people works in 3 minutes, like you'll see on Richie, but it'll take no longer than 10 minutes. And the great thing about it, and we see some before and afters here on the screen right now.
Wow.
Yeah, Nick, it's incredible. The only thing more incredible than the technology are the before and afters.
That's
in 3 minutes. It'll take no longer than 10. I mean, look at that. Nick, that person on the left is a groupie. The person on the right is a rock star. We want to be rock stars. Yeah.
Well, let me ask you this. So when you wake up in the morning and you've got little baggy stuff going on and you put this on, let's say for a lady that wants to do that, can they put makeup on afterwards? Or how is it real creamy? Can they wear makeup? How does that work?
It's a great question, and you know, it's funny because men suffer from this even more. That's why we used Richie, because men, their eye bags are heavier and their wrinkles are more pronounced, and unlike you and I, most men don't wear makeup during the day, and women who do wear makeup, the irony is the more you put on to try to cover it up, the worse it gets, and it enhances it even more. So here's the process. You get up, you're going to put Plexaderm on a clean, dry face, and you're going to wait 10 minutes. All right, and when you're done with that, if you want to put a moisturizer on, I brought this hyaluronic acid, and the reason for it is that it's an oilless-based moisturizer, Nick. Most moisturizers people use have oil in them, and that'll counteract the effectiveness of Plexaderm, so you don't want to do that. So
so don't have anything on your face when you put this on.
Right.
Just put it directly.
Clean, dry face, Plexaderm, oilless-based moisturizer, and then your makeup is normal. And going to your point a couple minutes ago, this is going to get you through the whole day. I've seen products like this on major national shows, and they tell you, I couldn't believe it, they said, well, the results are going to last 2 to 3 hours. By the time you get up, get ready for work, get to work, the effects are gone.
It's done, right?
This is going to get you, exactly, 6 to 8 hours, get you through the whole day, or maybe that special date you have at night.
Can you tell me, I know you guys have a lot of testimonials. I think you brought some with you.
Yeah, we did.
You know, if somebody told me that I could just use some cream and my eyes would look great, like 10 years younger, and that it would shrink up these bags and get rid of the sort of purple stripes under my eyes, I thought they were crazy. But obviously, somebody's not, because this is pretty good.
I can't even believe that this worked. I was a little skeptical, I am not going to lie, because I saw people online with it, and I'm like, yeah, right, that can't possibly work. Honestly, it really works. I'm telling you, it really works. I can't wait to see people I know. It's amazing.
That's
I
the
love seeing
best.
that. Yeah, look how much younger and fresher she looks.
But how excited they are afterwards.
Well,
That
it is
speaks
exciting
volumes.
because you can't hide that.
Right.
You really can, and it's just a true sign of aging. And when you can reduce the appearance of that, I mean, it's just amazing.
Now, how come you didn't give me some of this before the show? You know, because I'm a little baggy myself.
I am here now, and then people are going to see the difference the next time they see you on. Then
we'll do a little before and after. So what do we do? What do we have going on right now? You got some specials?
Yeah, we have a First Coast Living risk-free special, Nick. If you call a 1-800 number, we'll put up on your screen, or go to Plexaderm.com. Also ask them about our special where you'll get up to 50% off. But like you said, you can try it risk-free today and maybe look like Richie Baggs, who, if we can get the final results on
Where's
him.
the final on Richie? We got that?
I think it was just
There he
under
is.
3.5 minutes. He is Richie Baggs no more, Nick. And you'll see this in a fast forward right here.
Nice.
And it's funny because we gave him a mirror and he looked at himself and he said, "Oh my God, I look great." And then he just had one other question.
Anybody? What was the other question?
Can you please do the other eye before you send me back into the office? So we did not send him out that way. We did the other eye. And
Oh,
look
and I
at
see
how
there
amazing
you
yes.
just have the one eye done.
Yep.
Wow, what a difference.
It was incredible. The room exploded. The executives were so happy because researchers have worked on this and scientists for years, specialists, brilliant people, and that's why it's so effective.
That is awesome. All right, well, thank you so much. We'd like to thank Plexaderm for sponsoring this segment. Right now, First Coast Living, all the viewers can try a bottle of Plexaderm completely risk-free. Order yours by going to Plexaderm.com or give them a call at 800-923-8893. But you need to call now because supplies are limited.
All right, coming up.